guys, I'm going to show you my iCarly apartments. This is the update for now, but yeah, so I'm going to get off the mic and show you. Let's get going. This is not finished yet, just letting you know. I was on the mic, I just didn't really talk. But yeah, this is basically the studio. And then these are haunted. This one's the haunted apartment. Just let you know that. This one leads nowhere. It really just leads to a blank wall. And then here is the haunted apartment. Basically the Shay apartment, just literally dark. This is literally just a remake of the iCarly apartments. Yeah, this is literally 9D, 9C. And then the 8 is replaced with a 9 right here. The studio. That was basically my iCarly apartments. You just got the grand tour of my iCarly apartments. There was also the backstage right here, but I deleted that. But yeah, you just got the grand tour. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye.